Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crimsyn for those of you that don't know me. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how I did these braids on myself. So my goal for these braids was to recreate Janae Aiko's braids. She's posted her hair in these braids for a while, so I wanted to try and recreate them. Like I've said before, I get bored with my hair so easy, so I decided to put it into a protective style. And a disclaimer, I am not the best at explaining things, so this probably isn't going to be world's best tutorial, but if you guys are interested in watching how I did the braids on myself, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna jump right into this video. So my hair is already washed. I did not blow dry my hair at all. I let it air dry. So now I'm just gonna comb my hair and then I'm gonna show you guys how I decide to part it. Okay, so now that my hair is all detangled, I'm gonna start by sectioning the front first. Doing the sections to me is the worst part because, I can't see. So I'm gonna try to make sure that my sections are, first of all, wait. Is my part even in the middle? Oh, look at that, it wasn't. I'm gonna try to make these as big as possible. I don't want to end up with like 10 braids total, so. So I forget if Janae had her parts in squares or triangles, but with braids I've done in the past, I definitely like triangle parts on my hair better, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. So I start at the corner and then I just go diagonal. So obviously the bobby pins aren't going to stay in, they're just holding the spaces. So now that the front section of my hair is all parted, I'm just going to part the rest of my hair off camera and then I'm going to come back and show you how I braid. Now, I've never bought braiding hair off Amazon before, but Amazon's my only option right now. I'll leave the exact link for the hair in the description. So the place I got the hair from, it came with 4 packs. It came with 5 packs. These are all in the color 27, and it says that they're 24 inches long, but the hair is not pre-stretched. Okay, so this is the hair. And it's not bad. It looks, it feels like regular braiding hair. And it seems close enough to my hair color. It seems like regular braiding hair. I just didn't have to go to the hair store for it. It's not the longest hair I've used. So after I pull the bottoms of the hair to stretch it out, I'm just gonna start taking some sections. So I have a table in front of me that I'm gonna take some sections and just lay them out ahead of time. So I'm gonna take the first section of hair and unravel it. Normally I'd probably find jam or something, but since we're using what we have, I'm gonna be using this Murray's beeswax, and it says, holds braids, cornrows, and twists tighter. So we're gonna believe it, we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna put this on the ends of my hair just to condition it. For the roots of the sections, I'm gonna use the Murray's Edge Wax. This is a lot more firm than the first one. This one is the beeswax and this one is the edge wax. So I'm gonna take the edge wax and put it on the roots. I'm gonna show you guys closer when I get to the front of my hair because it's kind of hard showing you the back, but I'm just gonna start by braiding my hair like regular. Then I'm gonna take a section of hair and I'm gonna add it in.
Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. 2 cups, toast out with the gang, from food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom, I'm a living proof, so ain't compromising. $500,000 on the coupe, drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. I'm a pink Molly, I can barely move. Ask about me, I'm gon' bust a move. Braid James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, be it fine. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Guillotine, drink from Melazine, drink. Taking beans, go to those extremes. Let's go, Parliament, Calamari wins. Parlay in Vegas, we was in attendance. Let's go. Before the business, be the door lenses, be the door prescriptions. Focus on the mission, for my intermission. Never take a break, we can switch states, switch down far place. Speech, ain't no way, ain't no fucking way. Contemplate, we didn't contemplate. Raw the bank, we gon' raw the game. They gang, we gang, but they're not the same.
Okay guys, so I just did the rest of my hair off camera. Now I'm coming to you guys a couple hours later just to show you what I did with the ends. So basically what I did was I took 3 braids and I just braided those braids together to make another braid. And then I'm just going to take those and dip them in the hot water so it makes that curl wave effect at the bottom. So of course I just repeated that all around my hair, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like the next day. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it to the end of this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos in the future. I also wanted to mention that I'm so close to my first 1,000 subscribers, so I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing. I can't wait to see how far we get in the future, and I'll see you guys in my next video.